Sohan was a 15-year-old boy from a small town. Life was never easy for him. His father worked as a cycle rickshaw puller, his mother cleaned houses, and Sohan sold biscuits at the bus stand to help his family survive. One hot afternoon, while resting under a tree, he noticed a black leather bag lying near a bench. He looked around, but no one was there. Heart pounding, he unzipped it. Inside were thick bundles of cash. For a moment, he froze. His hands trembled. Should he take it? Should he hand it over to the police? After a long pause, he whispered to himself, maybe this is my chance, my only way out of this life. The next few days turned his world upside down. Sohan bought new slippers, bright t-shirts, samosas, and cold drinks. For the first time, he spent money without thinking. Boys who once ignored him now treated him like a friend. Among them were Rohit and Samir, two older boys who often played cards for money. One evening, Rohit teased him, "You've got cash now, why don't you try your luck?" Sohan hesitated but joined in. At first, fortune smiled on him, and he won small amounts. Feeling unstoppable, he kept playing, but greed crept in. Soon the games got bigger, and he started losing more than he won. A week later, the bag was nearly empty. Desperate, Sohan asked Rohit for a loan, but Rohit just laughed. "We are not here to fund your losses, brother. Handle yourself." The same boys who once cheered him now avoided him. The new slippers, the cold drinks, the brief popularity, everything was gone. Sohan sat alone at the bus stand, clutching an empty biscuit packet, realizing for the first time, money without hard work disappears faster than it comes. Determined to change, he went back to selling biscuits. Every evening, he quietly saved a few coins in a bottle under his bed. Slowly, the bottle filled up. One day, he noticed a man selling sugarcane juice near the bus stand, always surrounded by customers. An idea sparked in his mind. If he can do it, so can I, he thought. For the next few months, he saved every rupee he could. Finally, with 3,000 rupees, Sohan bought a second-hand juicer and set up a tiny stall under a banyan tree. The first day he earned 120 rupees. By the third month, his daily income crossed 400 rupees. His hands smelled of sugarcane and sweat, but this time every rupee was earned, not found. One afternoon, his school teacher, Mr. Sharma, stopped by and asked, "Sohan, you started this on your own?" Sohan smiled shyly and said, "Yes, sir. No shortcuts this time." A classmate, Neha, recorded a short video of his stall and shared it online. Within days, it went viral. People admired his determination and resilience. Now, when Sohan walks through the market, people greet him with respect. He is still the same boy, but his journey taught him a lesson he will never forget. Money can be lost, but hard work builds a life no one can take away.